Okay, now moving on with number 4 in exam 2. We're going to go ahead and find the derivative of each of the following functions. So, so we can start off by 3x to the e, okay. You just leave it as is, and then 4a to the power of x. And this one, you can separate it, square plus, since we want it to be negative. So 1 over x plus, and then we can rewrite this one, but that's after we find a derivative. And then 5 pi to the 7th. So then we can go ahead. It would be 3e x e minus 1 plus ln of 4. And then 4 to the x. And then this one, that just becomes, because we are reducing x squared, we are dividing x squared divided by x, so that just gives us 1. And then we know that we take the quotient root of this one, we're going to get negative 1 over x squared, because remember, we wanted it to be negative. And also because, okay. And then we know that we can rewrite that one. Well, that's what the derivative is, x minus 1. And then this one, we know it goes to 0 because it's a constant. So this is your answer for the first, or for the derivative of the first question in this page. And then moving on, we have that. So we have trig. So we can start off by taking the derivative of this whole function. So we know that the derivative of tangent is secant squared. And then we can leave that like that. And then we know that the derivative of cos negative 3x is negative sine. And then we also got to take the, like that. The chain rule. And then we have x cosecant x. So we know that the derivative of a variable is 1. And then the derivative of cosecant is cosecant. Wait, no. All right. So yeah, we have cosecant x plus the derivative of cosecant and then we take the derivative of that. Oh no, because it's all times x. So now it's cotangent inverse, so we know that that one's negative 1 over 1 plus x squared. And then we take the derivative of the inside of that, which is just 1/2 square root of x. So then, sorry, I'm just thinking how I'm going to put these videos together. So then secant squared, that's just like that. And then we have cos, same thing because we had already taken derivative of that. This one also the same. Plus that. So looks like a c cos secant x because we times that. Minus, we bring that x to the front. And it becomes negative. Because of negative cosecant x. Cotangent x. So then we have plus, because we have 1. The square root and the exponent cancel. And then we have that from the previous. So now, since we are multiplying by 3, we can go ahead, bring it to the front like we did with x. So 3 sine, oh, what happened? 3x secant squared times all that. Plus this cosecant parentheses. This one's a long one. And then we can go ahead and multiply those. So we get 2 times 1 plus x square root of x. And that's your answer for this one. So let me go ahead and put it like that. Yeah. So now for the next one, I'm going to go ahead and derive it. So we have e to the negative 2x plus 1. Chain rule it. So it's negative 2. And then if we rewrite ln, because it'd be 1 over x or 1 over 1x times the derivative of 1 over x, which is negative 1 over x squared, because of the quotient rule, minus, if we rewrite log base 5, we know it's going to be in the ln natural log of 5. And then our sine x times, you got to chain rule it, because this is in parentheses cos x. So we bring that 2 to the front. E negative 2x plus 1 plus, because that would just be negative x times a negative 1 over x squared, which gives you positive 1 over x. And then multiply straight across, and you get the same thing, or the same denominator. And that is your final answer. So this one, yeah, thank you.